Alrighty then, this is Alex's 2007 Chevy Tahoe, which as you can imagine has quite a bit of work done to it, but now it has custom headlights by 13. You can look at the actual build video for a little bit of specifics on these guys. As you can see, we have a 4TLR projector retrofit in the low beam position and an HB LED dedicated LED high beam in the high beam position. This has clear lenses from the factory and little sequential turn signal from the factory. These are aftermarket headlights that I have modified. They are also etched with FSU logos, as you can see the arrowhead and the FSU, and they've got some surprises behind them. So let's start turning things on, shall we? Guess what? This is not that exciting. This is just the parking light is on right now. It's just a little LED bulb that I installed in there, but nothing else seems to be going on. Why is that 13? I thought you said these were cool, but wait, we're getting a little bit cooler now. Okay, now we've got headlights on. This is a low beam output. Okay, let's turn on some high beams maybe. Oh goodness, look, it's the high beam. So high beam again, full dedicated LED high beam, as well as high beam drop down that solenoid on that Eagle On HID system. Know what I mean? I'll be the first to admit to you that's still really not that super exciting, other than the fact that cool, we can see at night, so that's really nice. But of course, this is where it comes into play. The individual addressable LEDs that are behind this diffuser strip right here, and that they are powered by Blue Ghost. So we're gonna have startup sequence. Let's show that off right now. The headlights turned on automatically, so I turned those off just because I didn't want them blinding you out. However, as you can see, they stay lit up on the white, which is a pure dedicated white chip on these. It is not mixed RGB white. And now I'm going to show you the shutdown sequence as well. So ta-da, pretty much every time you start the car and shut off the car, it's gonna do that because it's triggered off of the ignition circuit. So now you understand that we have Blue Ghost, which means we have cool turn signals as well. All right, so this is the turn signal that I set up for them, which will probably honestly change, but because this one goes that way and that one goes that way, they kind of bounce, it's fun. The whole idea is that this is Blue Ghost so that we can do a bunch of different things. And I might have actually just snuck a peek around here to the side because, oh my goodness, look at this. We also have wheel rings that act on the turn signal as well. So when we turn on the turn signal, the wheel rings of that particular side do an amber chase pattern. I love turn signals, so this is super cool. Okay, talking more about the features of Blue Ghost. As you can see, we've got a nice color changing animated sequence going on. This is going on both sides. We have this cool one. There's a bunch of different preset modes, so we have the ability to do fun multicolored things. We can shoot things across from one headlight to the other side, and you can see it bounces around there and it shoots over there. We can turn it onto solid colors as well of any particular color. Right now this is just kind of like a maroon, sort of like a purpley sort of color, which I thought matched the sparkle. We also have dual zone control. Demonize on these things. These are the lighting trends demonized. So right now they are both on 7-color jump but controlled independently. That one's red and now it's green and now it's blue. So that is the one that I am currently logged into. And again, these are RGBW, so I do have the option of a pure white, and then also I have that one which is like a weird dim white, which I don't understand the purpose of that, but there you go, we have white. Okay, so for our final trick, we're going to show off the wheel rings officially now. These are 24-inch chrome wheels, so I did the biggest size wheel ring that I could possibly do, which really fills it out. As you can see, it is just on auto mode right now, so it is just cycling through whatever it wants to do, and it is on all 4 wheels, duh, because it wouldn't really serve a lot of purpose if it was only on some of the wheels. As I showed you earlier, when you turn on the turn signal, one side override. And as one more fun interactive feature on these wheel rings is it does have a brake input as well. So anytime you hit the brake, they go solid red. And in case you don't know what that looks like, I'm going to demonstrate it to you right now. So I'm just driving around doing cool stuff and I hit the brake and it goes red. And I release the brake and it goes back to whatever it was on, and I hit the brake and it goes red. And look, I release the brake and it goes back to whatever it is. Pretty cool. And just to be absolutely clear, even if you do nothing, if these are off and you're just driving around, you turn on turn signal, that overrides, that works, and you hit the brake and it overrides and it goes red all of the time. So our driving mode has these DRLs just on like I demonstrated earlier, and that's really all I gotta say on this thing. It is a lot of work on this Tahoe, and I think it's pretty cool. I'm really excited for them. I'll have some product information in the video description. There's gonna be a lot that I really just can't quote out over the internet here because this is is all stuff that's being done in person. However, you know, contact information is always going to be in the video description, so if you're interested in for a build for yourself, you're going to have to reach out to me, but not in November because I will be closed for the entire month of November as I am already completely booked out. Every build is custom made to order. Everything's custom, uppercase custom, because that is what I do. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later.